Hey everyone, I hope you're having a happy Sunday. This week I am doing another plan with me in my Lights Planner Action vertical planner, and I'm using this back to school kit that I just released. Yeah, it was yesterday. It's not actually back to school for me yet. I know some of you start early August, which is just so crazy to me. For the University of Toronto, we don't start until September 9th. So I have more than a month to go. I'm just using this kit because since I am the one designing it, I wanted to make sure that everything looked nice. So yeah, I'm probably going to use it again when it's actually back to school time for me. Anyways, I also wanted to quickly talk about some exciting things that's coming up. I know I said previously that I wouldn't make more daily journaling vlogs for a little while, but our washi pre-order washi tapes arrived and I might need to start processing them soon. So I'm thinking of doing another kind of week in the life of a shop owner video. I think that'll be fun. And I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, which kind of took me by surprise. So yeah, you guys gave a bunch of great suggestions and I'm gonna kind of go through them and decide what to do to celebrate. Anyways, back to the actual plan with me. I put down the 2 strips of bottom washi that comes with the kit. The thicker one is meant to look like lined paper, and then there's a really cute mint polka dot one. And then I just put the today headers up top in alternating colors. Moving on to Monday, I put down the today's caffeine checkbox stickers. These new doodle checkbox stickers are some of my favorite things ever now. I use them everywhere, and yeah. And then I put down a label sticker from the kit and also this email laptop emoji to mark in that I wanted to reply to some emails in the morning before my internship shift. I typically have my shifts on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So throughout the week, I just used these really cute teardrop bow stickers from The Giving Girl to mark in my shifts. And then I put down this lined paper full box with an adorable emoji to mark in that I had a meeting from 1 to 2 on Google Meets. And then, is it Google Meets or Google Meetings? Actually, I don't know. It's funny. I've been using this application for the past 3 months and I still don't know. And then I put down this laptop sticker with a guinea pig from Fox and Cactus, which is so adorable, to mark in that I wanted to review all of my deadlines that are coming up, which I have quite a few. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I was getting organized. Then I put down a half box sticker and also this night owl doodle sticker from my shop to mark in some of the work things that I had to do. So I had to reply to some more emails and also fulfill some orders on Shopify. And then moving on to Tuesday, I put down this adorable full box sticker. It has a space to write down some things on the sticky note, or you can just leave it blank. But I just wrote down that I wanted to do some readings in the morning. I have this problem where I keep starting new books, and currently I'm reading like 7 books at once. I do eventually finish them, but I don't know. I just keep finding new books that I'm interested in and I add them to the roster. So I think I'm gonna not start any new books for now and finish the current ones. I also put down this emoji head sticker with a mask to mark in that I got my 2nd dose of the COVID vaccine on Tuesday. And then I put down a half box along with this sort of feeling down and sad sticker from Fox and Cactus. It's completely unrelated to work, so I won't talk much about that. And then I put down a working laptop sticker from my shop to mark in that I wanted to continue designing for new releases, and also this package emoji sticker to mark in that I created a FedEx business account because I was getting really tired of signing forms every time new things came in. And then I put down this sort of coffee frappuccino sticker from Granny Tail Plans to mark in that I had a coffee date with my sister. Okay, I'm really behind for my voiceover. I just quickly wrote down some to-do lists on Tuesday, and then moving on to Wednesday, again, I had my internship shift. Then I put down this I'm okay, I guess emoji sticker, which I find is kind of funny, to mark in that I was still upset on Wednesday from Tuesday. And honestly, I'm still a little upset. There's just that lingering feeling, you know? But I'm gonna try to be a little bit more positive for next week. Then I put down this full box checklist, but it's like on the lined paper pattern, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm obsessed with this lined paper pattern. I just wrote down the rest of my to-do list. Then I put down this washi strip sticker along with a iPad doodle sticker from Paper and Milk to mark in that I slept over at my sister's place on Wednesday and actually didn't finish, but worked on my designing there. Okay, then moving on to Thursday, you can see that my lighting drastically changed and it's pretty crappy. It's because I was filming this at 4 in the morning, so there was no natural light at all. I am definitely not going to do that again because even my writing looks really wonky at 4 in the morning. But yeah, anyways, I put down a pencil sticker from Crafty Rat Designs to mark in that I wanted to continue designing. And then I put down a label sticker again to mark in my internship shift, and also a to-do header along with a emoji checklist from the kit to mark in some things that I had to do. Then I put down this nerdy emoji full box that also comes with the kit. On Thursday, my sister came over to eat, so we had pizza, and we also did a hair mask, but I don't really have hair mask stickers, so I just put down a regular face mask emoji from my shop. And then to end off Thursday, I put down a half box and also this to-do clipboard sticker from Bubba Bear Studios. I'm having a hard time talking today again. Just to make in that I wanted to do my new release listing photos, which every week I try to keep the new releases relatively small, but I keep adding things, and this week was like one of the largest releases that we've done, and it was completely unintentional. That's why I was rushing a little bit because I didn't expect so much. And then moving on to Friday, basically the entire day I just worked on new releases. So that's about it for this video. Again, the next few ones should be really fun because I plan on doing several vlogs. Also our 100K celebration, and probably going to do a back to school supply shopping haul, and then I will be flying back to Toronto. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Bye everyone.